Ġira żgħira, iżda li se ġġib udjenza mill-isbaħ u enerġija mill-aqwa fl-ikbar avveniment mużikali fl-Ewropa Isle of MTV. Dan kien kumment li spikka mill-artisti protagonisti tal-lejla memorabbli għal diversi żgħażagħ f'kunċert mill-ikbar. Ray, Jonas Blue, DNCE u Chainsmokers tkellmu mal-ġurnalisti sigħat biss qabel 11 l-edizzjoni ta' dan il-kunċert f'Malta. Kunċert li jġib miegħu responsabilità kbira għall-artist tgħid il-kantanta Zazua Ray li deskriviet dan il-kapitlu f'Malta bħala a big deal.
This is like such a big deal for me. You know, I literally have so much love and respect for MTV for giving me this slot. Like, this is such a big deal. I'm only a new artist. And this is just like good experience, good practice, and like playing in a sunny country. It's just like really so different to anything I'm used to. So it's very exciting.
Jonas Blue, kantant u DJ li ġieli daq f'pajjiżna qal li nistgħu nistennew kanzunetti enerġetiċi tul il-wirja tiegħu fuq il-palk. Iżda Jonas Blue għandu sem kemm xejn iktar importanti fl-Isle of MTV din is-sena. Għaliex se jkun hu li jospita l-party ta' wara l-kunċert f'numero 1.
Well, obviously, because I come from a DJing background as well, so I think it's just showing people here the two sides to what I do. You know, I've been here previously DJing, and those have been great gigs, and obviously we're performing as a live band tonight. So it's just about doing that side of things first, and then having a kind of real big party afterwards to all let our hair down and listen to the DJ set, which is completely different to the band.
Pajjiżna laqgħu wkoll wieħed mill-gruppi mużikali li tul 2016 u l-ewwel ftit tal-2017 kontinwament kisru kull rekord fil-klassifika mondjali, The Chainsmokers. Din hija l-ewwel wirja tagħhom f'kunċert ta' dan it-tip u għaldaqstant qed jistennew minn kollox.
But yeah, we had no idea the show was going to be this big tonight. We kind of just, 20 minutes at a time, we digest what's happening and then we make the most of it.
Meta wieġeb għal mistoqsija ta' One News, il-kantant Joe Jonas mill-grupp DNCE qal li ċ-ċokon ta' Malta mhux se jkun rifless fil-folla waqt l-Isle of MTV. Bħala kantant li se jdoq f'Malta għall-ewwel darba fil-karriera tiegħu qal li x-xewqa tiegħu ta' sħabu DNCE hija li l-Isle of MTV ta' Malta ikun wieħed mill-iktar kunċerti memorabbli tal-karriera tiegħu.
I think what we hope to take is one of our most memorable shows. You know, you just said it's a tiny island, but yet 50,000 people are going to be at the show tonight. So it's obviously not a tiny crowd in anywhere in the world. I think it's going to be exciting for people that probably don't get to see shows like this quite often to have such an epic concert. And we want to bring a lot of fun and hopefully take back that energy with us to other shows worldwide.